Hi guys, I was gifted this bathroom exhaust fan with a heater from the seller so I can show you how I install it and how great it is. I don't know if you can hear my old exhaust fan in the background, but it is super loud. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and it's silent. So what I'm hoping for in this one is it's a lot quieter than this old one that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box, show you what it looks like, and then I'll go ahead and install it. All right, so this is the heater out of the box. The heat comes out of this flap right here, and there's a light. It's really thin too, maybe half an inch max. And then here's the power cable for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down the old one, and I'll put in this new one. All right, we got it all installed. It's taken about 45 minutes so far, mainly because I've never done this before, but it wasn't that hard. The next thing I'm gonna do is put batteries in this and show you how this thing works. All right, guys, I got batteries in the remote. I'm gonna mount this on the wall, but for right now, I'm just gonna show you how it works. This thing is cool. It is 1800 watts of PTC heat. It's got quick warmth in just a few minutes. So there is a setting right here for heat. We'll just go ahead and click that on. As you can see, the heater kicks on and it starts to blow out the heat. Instantly, it's already warm. I can feel it on my hand. Kick off that heat, you're just going to click that heat button again. We also have humidity sensing, so I'm just going to keep it on humidity sensing, and when someone's in the shower, it's going to kick out all the humid air, and then when it's got all the humid air out, then it will turn off. So it does have 3 hues of lights here. I'll go ahead and turn it on, and all right, so there's 3 different hues. There's that one, and if you turn it on and off real quickly, you cycle through the different colors. So we're gonna turn it off and on. See, that's more of a yellow light. Off and on. More white and kind of a more blue light. So it does have those 3 hues on the lights. It combines, there is a smart shower mode, and it combines heating and ventilation for balanced comfort. So it is user friendly with this remote. I'm just going to put it on the wall and you can go ahead and touch it. It is getting quite hot in here. I'm going to go ahead and kick off that heat then. So it does have the exhaust fan blower. It does have multiple speeds on that, and so you can control how fast that fan runs. So this took me about 45 minutes to an hour to put together. Wasn't too bad. Not an electrician, just a DIY type guy. And you see how the heat just kicked off. I think it took a second to cool down before the heat kicked off. But if you guys are in the market for a ventilation fan with heat and lights, and then the exhaust for the humidity, this would be an awesome pick for you guys. So go ahead and get it. Thanks.